Here we go then. You've tuned in for another plugs video. There it is then. Okay, coming very neatly into focus right there. This one is an adapter which allows two British Standard 546 plugs to be connected into it. And there we are. So what we're going to be looking at then is how this differs from most other adapters, okay? And then we'll go from there. So, straight off then, you can see on there we got the 3 pins, and those are 15 amp on there. Yeah, 15 amp on there. There you go, hopefully you've gotten right on that then. 5 to 15 amp. BSS it says there. So, nothing around the side there, nothing on the top, nothing around the other side, but right on the front, we got that. Okay. You can see it's a very well used unit, and this is an MK safety adapter. So there it is. Now, I showed around the side and the top, but I didn't show underneath. That one on there is 15 amp, British Standard 546, and yes, on the bottom then, we've got a smaller 5 amp one. Okay, British Standard 546 once again, and as you can see by those marks on it, it is very well used. Okay. Taking our plug then. Okay, other brands of plug will go in there, as long as they're to that pin configuration. But you can see then it goes in there. There we go. There's one plug in there. And yes, I do have a 5 amp one, because there it is. Okay, let's compare. There we are. You can see the size difference. So, 15 amp one goes in then, and the 5 amp one goes in. So there we are. One of the advantages that MK did build into this over most other adapters is the fact that with the 5 amp outlet on that, it's fused. Okay, the 15 amp one, it is straight through. Okay, it's unrestricted because it doesn't need to be fused, on the basis that the socket this plug is going to go into will be 15 amp fused at the consumer unit anyway. But in this video, we're going to be opening this up, and we'll have a look at how this is fused inside. Okay, again, it's something which is practiced back then, which isn't anymore so much so. Like so. Now, what do you notice in there? Let me get a little zoom going on that. Yes, there is actually 2 fuses in that. Okay. So yes, the 5 amp outlet on this is double pole fused. Okay, it's something which is not done anymore. Hope you enjoyed watching that one. Do press the like button, subscribe if you really want to, and we'll go from there really. More plugs videos coming up a bit later on. For this one then, I'd like to say thanks for watching.